Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to wow your followers? Let's make a 3D social media poster step by step. Click Create, then type Poster in the search bar. Select the landscape orientation for your poster to start designing with the correct layout and dimensions. Next, add elements by typing 3D social media elements into the search bar to find and select the appropriate graphics for your project. Next, add 3D elements by selecting and placing the desired object into your project workspace. We'll use this sign as a notification bell icon. Next, click the bell to access notification settings and customize your alert preferences quickly. This tutorial shows how to use the Together We Can feature. First, open the app and navigate to the Together We Can section. Click Create New Project, then invite collaborators by entering their email addresses. Set permissions as needed. Finally, click Start to begin working together in real time, enhancing productivity through seamless collaboration. Attempt to capture this element by clicking on it once, ensuring it is selected for the next step in your workflow. Click the Add button to include this item in your list. Ensure it appears correctly, then proceed to the next step to continue building your project efficiently. This simple action helps keep your workflow organized and ensures no essential components are missed. Thank you for your help. Let's continue with the next step now. To save this page, first click the Download button. Next, choose the PNG format from the options provided. After selecting PNG, click Save to store the file on your device. This ensures the page is saved clearly and can be accessed anytime. Use this method to preserve high-quality images or screenshots from this page for future reference or sharing. Remember, selecting PNG maintains the best image quality during saving. Delete the image by selecting it, then drag it back to its original position to restore it within the workspace quickly and accurately. To add a position, first open the Positions menu. Click the Add Position button. Enter the position name and description in the provided fields. Set the relevant parameters such as salary, range, and department. Review the information for accuracy. Finally, click Save to confirm and add the new position to your list. Your position is now ready to be assigned to employees or used in scheduling. Position the object above the bone. Next, remove the background to isolate the subject and prepare it for further editing or export in your project. Select the image to access its elements. Use the toolbar to modify size, position, or apply effects. Adjust settings to enhance your design quickly and efficiently. Next, add a background element to enhance the design. Let's try using typography as a background. Select a bold font and adjust the size to cover the canvas area effectively. Then, reduce the opacity so the text becomes subtle and doesn't overpower the main content. Position the text strategically to create depth and visual interest. This technique adds texture without distracting from the primary focal points in your design. Click the I accept button to agree to the terms. This will enable you to proceed with the installation or access the service. Make sure to review the terms before accepting. Once accepted, the setup process will continue automatically. Click the Settings icon to open Preferences. Adjust the options to resolve the issue. Save changes, then restart the application to apply the fixes. Verify the problem is resolved. To change the text color to blue, first select the text you want to modify. Next, locate the text color option in the toolbar. Click the color picker, then choose a blue shade from the palette. The selected text will immediately update to the new color. If you want a specific blue, you can enter its hex code in the color selector. Ensure the changes reflect on your document or slide before moving on to other edits. To attach the tag design, first open your project file. Select the desired tag layer, then drag and drop your design onto it. Adjust the size and position to fit perfectly. Finally, save your changes to apply the tag design securely in your project. This ensures a professional, consistent look throughout. Next, click to change the background image color. Thank you. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner. This opens the Sharing Options menu. From here, select Download to save your file locally. Choose your preferred file format if prompted, then click Download again to confirm. The file will begin downloading to your default folder. Once the download completes, you can open or move the file as needed. This process allows you to quickly save and access your work outside the application, ensuring you have a copy for future use or sharing with others. Now you know how to create a 3D social media poster in Canva-like, and subscribe for more design tips.